every single time you meet a client or a customer or a prospect, you really have one job: move forward or not. That's it. You want to get to a point where you have a conversation where at the end of 10, 15, 20 minutes, you want to be able to say, great, if we can do that, what happens next? That's your job. What you're doing is you're running around and you're not qualifying really well, and you're not sticking to this number one job. Your number one job is you are moving forward or you're not. The way you'll be able to move forward with a lot more deals, because your number one job is to move forward or not, is to have other people working for you. But if you're making $50 an hour right now, the more calls you can make and the more stuff that you have other people doing, this number is going to go to 60 to 70 to 80. I can have 20 people doing research for me for $500 an hour. 20. I'm losing money if I do it. That's the problem that you're having. You're getting confused, and that's what I said on LinkedIn. You're getting confused with busy work versus being efficient. Too many people are doing work on stuff where they're just not being efficient. They're being busy, and you're getting confused, and you're making yourself feel good about doing crap that brings you no value towards getting to your goal. I've always said this: they can't lose sleep over your problems. Only you lose sleep over your problems. I can't lose sleep over your problems, you guys. I lose sleep over mine, not yours. I'm not being a jerk about it. I'm just saying I lose sleep over my own problems. I'm not gonna lose them over yours too. Hey John, can you minimize internal meetings, please? I was back to back from 9 to 3:30 with internal rubbish, nightmare. It's a great question. So what he said is, can you minimize internal meetings? You can. And I learned this years ago. A lot of times when I have a meeting, I always go, what's the objective? What's the outcome? So you say from a 1 to a 10, how bad do I need to be there? Number one. Number two, what's the objective? What do you want my role to be? And number three, here's why I'm asking. You have to go, hey, I'm asking because I know you give me an hour on the phone and you give me an hour sitting in this meeting. My fear is I'm going to go, what am I doing here? And they're going to respect you for it, because you're actually saying you're wasting my time from making you money and me, because you have me around sitting in some meeting I shouldn't even be in. Dominic said, hey John, when contacting prospects, I know the one thing you mentioned is don't try to sell now, but plan for the future. But when the prospects put you on the spot, how do you suggest you to handle it? I mean, talk like a badass. You better be able to rattle off like that. So when they go, so what's your objective? They go, yeah, listen, I really appreciate you. Thanks for the whole serve, not sell, but listen, I'm good. So what's the objective? I'm busy. And you go, my objective is simple. Number one, really nice to talk to you. Number two, want to see if our two organizations do business. And I got a couple ideas for you. If you want to hear them, I'll give them to you. And if you don't like them, I'll hang up the phone. I'll be done. I'll never talk to you again. I won't even send you a Christmas card. Okay, well, by the way, when someone pushes you like that, you better be game on. If you're not, then you got to practice and grab your phone and you record how you sound. You got to record how you sound. You play it back. I want you to go, damn, I'd buy from that guy. I'd buy from that lady. That's how you want to sound. I know our goal is to help a million people, and I'm helping them with the basics and fundamentals of our program. Free, CostiganTrainingUniversity.com. I know it's long, but that's it. Good selling. Go get them. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll talk to you soon. See you, everybody.